Welcome to this channel. Look at these profits. I want to show you the analysis method that I have used and the strategies that I have used, because some people are asking from my Telegram channels that what strategy did I use from the ones that I've already shared in my channel. Guys, I once said something which was very important. I don't know if some of you noted it. It's hard to say my strategy plainly, but if you put together all the videos or most of the videos that I've shared in my YouTube channel, you are going to develop my strategy from there. So the videos that I share carry important tips that you can pick from my strategy. So from here, I'm going to show you the steps that I used for analyzing each and every of these trades, and you will realize that all of the things that I'm going to show you, the stuff I used for analyzing, are found in my YouTube channel. Okay, so looking at these trades, it's about 4 signals. Let me just show you so that we go through them at the same time. You have USDCHF, you have GBPJPY, you have CHFJPY, and right at the end you have EURJPY. Okay, down there you have EURJPY, and these are the signals that I have shared in my signal channel for today: GBPJPY, USDCHF, CHFJPY, and EURJPY. So the question is, how did I find these entries? Here's what I did. Let's start with USDCHF, the very first signal. Remember, I said something in one of my videos that when I analyze, especially on Mondays, I start from the daily time frame. That video is in my channel. I said that. And today is what? It's Monday, May 8. I start from the daily time frame. First thing is a downtrend, and I am looking to sell. Okay, it's a downtrend, I'm looking to sell. That should be simple. Here is the second thing. I want to break this down to the 30-minute time frame. In this case, remember, I'm looking to sell. What I noticed is the gap. Remember, I talked about gaps in the market, the feeling of gaps. That video is also in my channel. It's titled Gap Filling. So if you talk about gaps, it's not only these types of gaps that you consider. You also consider liquidity gaps. If you talk about gaps, this is also a liquidity gap. So if price spikes up, if price makes a spike like this, a straight move, what remains is what is called a liquidity gap. So right here we can say that this is a liquidity gap that needs to be filled. So in this case, let me just do like this. I expect that price will come down to as low as maybe close to this point, just to fill this liquidity gap. So I expect price to drop. That is why I took a sell. And another thing, what you see on the RSI right here, I said it in my recent mobile videos. The white line came to touch the 90 line level, and then it crossed with the red line. What I'm waiting for now, maybe for an extra confirmation, is for the red line to cross the 8 line level. But what has happened right here is giving me more confidence to take a sell. So for those simple reasons, I took a sell. Remember, you don't have to complicate things in Forex. Don't wait for 10 confirmations for you to take a trade. At the end of the day, the market can go anywhere, anytime. So these are just simple confirmations that I used. Let me just go to the second signal, which was GBPJPY. I'll do the same thing. I start from the daily time frame. What you see on the daily time frame is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. What are you looking to do? To buy. Now, I shared a strategy whereby I said on an uptrend, you can look for these candles, bullish engulfing candles, and on a downtrend, you can look for bearish engulfing candles. Let me just zoom this so that you can see. This is an uptrend. Guys, you can trade this thing on its own. It's very powerful. If you go to a higher time frame like the daily and you notice a bullish engulfing candle, you can just enter a buy without any extra confirmations. You just have to make sure that it is an uptrend and you are seeing a bullish engulfing candle. The opposite is true. If it's a downtrend and you are seeing a bearish engulfing candle, from there you can enter a sell. That simple thing, you can have good trades from it alone. So this is an uptrend, that is a bullish engulfing candle. I can expect price to come to maybe that point. Remember, this is the daily time frame. If you break this to a smaller time frame like the 15-minute time frame, you find that the distance from the entry point to this red line, my take profit, is several pips, maybe 60-70 pips, somewhere there. Okay, I'm just giving you simple illustrations. So from this alone, you can take a trade, guys. Don't look for extra confirmations in the market. You will never be 100% sure anyway. Just keep things very easy. Let's just move to the next trade. That one should be very easy. CHFJPY. We start from the daily time frame. First thing, it is an uptrend, so we are looking to buy. That should be easy. Secondly, okay, let's just break it down. Let's take it to the hourly time frame. Okay, now what you see on the hourly time frame, remember my old strategy, the key level strategy. If you have been following this channel, you should know that one. You should know that one by heart. Okay, let's look at the key level strategy, how it works. On the key level strategy, you consider the lowest point. This was the lowest point, and that lowest point began right here. Okay, so when price closed above, you expect it to continue bullish. And remember, I said for you to take a buy right here, for you to take a buy at this point, this region here should be an area of interest, like the 10-line level on the RSI. And if you look at price, it is on the 10-line level on the RSI. Simple as that. That is the key level strategy I used right here. It was that CHFJPY. Let's go to EuroJPY. You start on the daily, it's an uptrend. I did what? I bought, because on an uptrend on the daily, you are looking to buy. Okay, let's break it down. Let me show you this. Remember the liquidity gap idea. This space right here is a liquidity gap. Noticing that price is at the bottom on the RSI. Right here, it gives us an idea that price is going to push up to fill this liquidity gap. Okay, the filling of gaps, to fill this liquidity gap. On another note, this should have been the take profit if I had seen this early, but then it was a weekend, there was no way to see what is happening on the markets. Secondly, you break it down. Let's just take it to the hourly. Okay, on the hourly, it's not very clear. Let me take it to the 30-minute time frame. I want you to see what happened on the RSI. Okay, because the white line came to touch the 10-line level, and then it came to cross the 20-line level. Let me just show you from the 30-minute time frame. Okay, this is where I took this trade. Look at this point right here. The white moving average came to touch the it came to touch the 10 line level. Second thing, the moving average is crossed. Thirdly, both moving averages at this point were above the 20 line level. So right here, what do? You take a buy. And I have said in one of my videos that you use the smaller time frame for the stop loss, and then you use the higher time frame for the take profit. So I'm going to consider the daily time frame for the take profit, and I'm going to put my take profit somewhere there, because this small movement on a smaller time frame is a huge movement. It's as easy as that, guys. What I can say is that watch all my videos. They will give you important points, put them together and come up with one strategy. Study my videos and videos from other channels, guys. It's not only me who teaches forex. All that information is going to help you to become a successful trader. I wish you the best as you try this out. And for the settings, let me just show you quickly. I have the 10 moving average, period 10 moving average exponential, okay, and I also have, it's a 50 moving average, period 50 exponential moving average. Just that. For the RSI, I have these levels. You can just copy them and have you on your chart. But for the strategy on how to trade this, find the mobile strategies that I recently shared this month, my recent videos. They are going to give you ideas on this. I wish you the best. Thank you.